Face-to-face interviews can sometimes be daunting. In this recent time, especially during the time of COVID, all multinational company, bank, factory, school, colleges and institutions are conducting online preliminary interviews. And it really creates a sense of nervousness among the employees to face the webcam and answer it. Today, through the medium of this channel, I'll give you some tips of how to be successful in online interview. Hello all, my name is Dipshika and welcome to my channel English World. Tip number 1 is practice 1 or 2 days prior. Whether you have applied for your post in any big firm, multinational company, bank, school or college, you will get to know about the app they are about to use on the day of interview. Be user friendly with that app. Once you have installed that app in your laptop or a computer, you should know all the audio, video and the keypad system of it, and you should be very friendly to it so that you do not hustle with it on the day of the interview. Once you become friendly with the app, it will create a sense of confidence in you. Point number 2. All you need to fix is to spot the place of interview. Prior to the interview, a day before, you should know where you are going to sit. The light should be appropriate and your visibility should be quite clear in front of webcam. See that the place is not dark. And most important thing is the sound. See that you don't get the background sound. No pets or child may be seen moving at that time because this may distract you. Point number 3 is your dress code. You should know what to wear prior to it. Your dress should be neat and tidy. It's okay, you're not in face-to-face connection, but still you are quite visible to the interviewers. So it's good to wear a formal dress because a neat, tidy and a formal dress not only maintains the decorum of the interview, but also keeps you in confidence. Now let's talk about your body language. When we talk about the body language, the first thing that strikes to our mind is our eye contact. If you're having a web camera, see that you are looking to the web camera speaking at the time of interview, or if you just have to look at the screen, see that your visibility is all clear and you're looking at the interviewer at the time of speaking. If you get nervous, it's okay to look at the screen, but it is not good to look on the right, left or upside. This means that you are getting nervous. Under the body language, next we have maintain your position. See the way you are sitting. Do not sit like a robot in a shocking mood. This makes the scene look artificial or stiff. Also, do not start shaking your body or dragging your chair right and left hand side. It means you are getting nervous. Do not keep any unnecessary stuff in front of laptop or computer at the time of interview. You should only keep a glass of water, a notepad, pen or pencil or any of the documentation required. Because the more stuff you keep, the more you get distracted to it. Try not to touch your hair or not to scratch your head if you have spoken something awkward. Rather, you give a smile on your face and say sorry. Do not hold pen, pencil or anything in your mouth at the time of speaking. This makes you look awkward. And now comes the most striking feature of the interview, your introduction. With a smile on your face, wish them good morning, good afternoon, good evening or whatever the time is. Also don't forget to thank them that you have been shortlisted for this reputed company, school, firm or institution, or you have been found applicable for this post. When they ask you your name, you just say, hello sir or hello ma'am, my name is. When they put another question, tell me something about yourself. I am sure you must be well prepared for it because this is 100% sure and guaranteed question which every interviewer asks. Your introduction should not be of more than 2 minutes. Never try to exaggerate your introduction, rather precise it. And prior to it, if you are well prepared, don't give a scripted answer. A scripted answer makes you look artificial and stiff. Once you know about the key points, what you have to say, you have full room to make it flexible and deliver it in a different manner in a different interview. Now, if the interviewer asks, tell me something about yourself, please don't begin it from the beginning of the resume. Just present the most striking feature that you carry. For example, if someone asks me, Dipshika, tell me something about yourself, I will say, hello sir, I am an MBA and I have 10 years working experience in a multinational company. If I want to make a big picture of it, I can say, hello sir, I am an MBA and I have 10 years working experience in a multinational company. There I have looked after the training and the recruitment process of it. If you are a teacher, you can say, hello sir, I am a B.Ed, M.Ed or whatever extra diploma degree you carry. I have 5-year teaching experience in an international school, or I have 5 to 6-year teaching experience in a different CBSE, ICSE or different state board school. If the question comes from the other side why you are qualified, it is up to you which detail you need to share. Do not share your detail in more than 2 to 3 sentences. You think what type of accomplishment you are being distinguished, or your promotions you need to share, which experience you had in the prior company, school, factory, institution, or wherever you were working. You have to be very precise and concise to whatever you are speaking. If the question comes from the other side of the screen that why you are here, so this is the best time to show your enthusiasm for the post or for the chair. So you have to present yourself, though in polished, yet in a very natural way, like why you are applicable for this post and why you deserve this post. You have to present some of your star features that you have that make you different from all the other employees. It is up to you what you have in it. Interview is all about proving that you are best among all the other employees who have been shortlisted for the school, college, company, bank, or whatever. So this is the best time to present yourself. So always present yourself in full confidence and in a very friendly manner. Do not try to be very stiff, or do not create a sense of nervousness, because this is just a thing of 5 to 10 minutes and you have to give your best. I hope you liked my tips, and all those who have been shortlisted for various things, I hope this tip is surely going to help you. We'll meet again next with some new ideas within this week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.